Morning guys, welcome back and thank you for clicking. In the month of August, I vlogged about a lady who came from America to Ghana to see the possibility of her moving her kids and herself to Ghana. So she went back to America after 2 weeks. So I got a call this morning that she is back to Ghana for good with her kids. I am very, very happy for her. I know what this means to her. She was done with America and she cannot go back to Nigeria right now. As a matter of fact, she has her reasons. They are looking to settle here. She just called and I have to obey. I'm going there. I have other places. I have an appointment by 9 o'clock, but that one I'll postpone it a little to maybe 10, 11, because I need to go here quickly because she wants me to come around quickly so I could help with something. So I have to go. So let's go. Let's go. Come, let's go with me.
That she start looking for a house for me.
Oh,
So you see the beautiful house we got there.
You are always lucky. You are always favored.
Beautiful.
Very good. So we are going there, right? Yeah, I'm at her place. We are going to see a house that they just got for her. She's going to go make payments and she wants me to come with her. She will not be staying in a hotel for, long, just something sharp for a few days. She already secured accommodation because plans have been in place before now. So but then she asked me to go out. She has a large family, so to go out and buy something, anything I can find around for her kids. Look, train your kids to eat anything. These are kids who are born, raised in the US, but they can eat wachi, they can anything you give them, they will eat. That's how she raised them. I was really inspired. So I'm taking the food to them. Actually, one of her daughters is the one filming me in a row. Hello, welcome back. Thank you for clicking. How are you doing? Today is what of December exactly? 6th of December. Ignore my background. We are doing some cleanup. So I have a guest coming over from a very far place, though in Accra here, but she's coming so we can get to meet. I am hoping that everything turned out well. I want to interview her. I want to know some things about herself as a Nigerian living in Ghana with her family. I wanted to say, okay, leave me the types of questions you want me to ask a Nigerian living in Ghana. But unfortunately, by the time you see this video, we are done with that video. So nothing you can contribute to this. But then, okay, so yeah, I'll go to the market just to do one or two, and then I will be back at different days in my life. But when she comes, I'm going to definitely put her on this vlog, okay? So don't go nowhere, stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe, okay? I will not be serving my guests with any artificial drink, so I'm going to be making something for her, like juice, handmade juice. Stay tuned.
Garlic is inside. This one is inside.
Okay, use it.
Ginger.
What do you use it to cook?
We use it to cook every food. If you want to cook food, if you want to steam the meat, you can use it. Jollof, you can use it. It's 5 cedis. It's very tasty. If you like, I can give you something to taste it and see. Okay. And this one too. Take this one too. Have you seen it?
Really nice. I prefer the other one.
Yeah, the other one. Have you seen this? You can use it for jollof, stew, soup, everything. You can use it.
Okay. This is the only thing that is expensive. Other things are... Okay. So my money is finished.
Your money is finished. Thank you very much.
God bless you. See Mama here. Mama.
Okay.
Mama ni pachobra. The original plan was to buy this fish, but Mama just couldn't agree with my price. So I said, okay, I'll for goat meat. Let me make something sharp, something simple. After all, I just got some spices. I want to give it a try. I try to mix Nigerian spices and Ghanaian own to see what I get. So I don't know. At the end of the day, I don't know what we'll get, but I hope for the best. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. I think the goat meat is even more economical because the fish you can't eat it more than by the time we all take one to finish. I mean, like we take half. I mean, the slice, it will not be enough. But this one you can eat over and over. So yeah, let's make something hot, something very simple. Nothing special. Yeah. So keep on watching. Alright, it's outside. Let's go get her. Wendy, I'm coming, okay? See how she's fine. Oh my god! I think it came at the perfect time because this morning I woke up. One of the babies was sick. Yeah, the second gate. Okay. The second one. Yeah, that one. You horn, they'll open the gate for you. Exactly like in your videos.
Yes.
Yeah, you look exactly. You look exactly. See me looking like a house help.
Amara, wait.
Amara.
Hold on, please.
Amara, wait. Look at me looking like a house help. So, Amara has made me walk today. She has inspired me to do a couple of videos. Who is finer? Mirrors on the word. Is it in the word or on the word?
On the wall. On the wall.
Okay. Mirror. That disqualifies me automatically. Mirror on the word. Who is the finest of them all? You are the fine. See, I don't blame you. Is this a blind? Is this our blind? So guys, we are filming. Okay, we have a couple of videos coming. Some will be on Amara's channel. Please guys, the lovers of Lily, go subscribe to Amara's channel, turn on the bell. Okay, you're gonna love her. She's so calm. I'm only trying to bring her out. You're too gentle, okay? Oh. You have to be like me. Just stay here. This one are from home. This one are from street.
You don't
know. Go to her channel and subscribe, okay? You see all. Go and see my interview there.
I get it.
Go and see my interview for you. Oh my God. I come and leave my house. Come on. So Amara, thank you for coming, mommy. Thank you for the gift. Thank you. Greet my baby for me, okay? Bye. Greet Oga for me. My husband. Say if you feel me again, this girl, I swear. Okay. Thank you so much. Drive carefully. Okay. No, they feel me. See, yeah. I said no, they feel me again. I ordered her and she stopped. I ordered her and she stopped.
Use my regards to praise.
Okay, they will hear. Oh, see, I see, fine.
And see.
Amara is gone. I had a nice time with her. She's such an amazing person. Okay, guys, hold on. Let me bring the gift that she gave me. Wait, I will show this. So, guys, this is what Amarachi Duru brought for me. Okay, let me open it and see. She sells this, okay. She sells things like this. She sells bags. Guys, I got a letter from my daughter's school that I have to come for a PTA meeting. But guess what? I am over. Times like this are those times when I started to feel the weight of being a single parent. It is not easy this time. I'm already used to being a single mom to my kids, but times like this can be difficult. Not to gain any sympathy, but as a matter of fact, I am not supposed to be around on that day because I have a destination. I'm on a trip. Like, I'm supposed to be on a trip. I was not informed early enough to attend this meeting. So because I do not trust parents, I'm not going to let my daughter go to school on that day. I'm going to keep her at home because a lot of parents are going to come to the school on that day. They're going to be, and I'm not going to be there. They're going to be looking at my kids for, being the way she is. This is Africa. Nobody can tell me nothing. speaking from experience. I'd rather have her deal with her peers, kids, rather than have her deal with adults at her age. So the best thing is she's gonna stay home on that day because I'm not gonna be around. Had it been that I'm around to attend the meeting, yes, she'll be in school, I'll be there. So that when they want to look at her, they have me to deal with. But in this case, she'll have to stay home. Whatever discussion they have, I'm going to find out from the school authorities when I return. It's not easy to be a single mother or single parent. If I have like her father in her life, I could easily say, okay, oh please, you attend the meeting, because I cannot, because I'm working. Yeah. Providing and caring at the same time is a lot of work. So I'm going to do the one I can do and leave the one I cannot do. God will see me through. After filming that video, that clip that you just saw about my daughter school inviting me for a parent teacher meeting that they annually do, I realized that 10th is Saturday. So good, case closed. My daughter is not going to be in school. I will not be around because I'm going on a tour somewhere around the country. That you shall find out in my next video. Okay, guess where we are going this time. So I'm booking for my ticket ahead. I'll be going tomorrow. By the time you see this video, I'll be there already and chilling and living my best life. But before then, I needed to quickly dash to the mall so I can fix something for the girls, buy bread, get other things, sugar. I've already cooked, what they'll eat. I don't want to leave them with the stress of thinking of what to eat, what to cook. So I had to do all that, and then now I'm heading home to go pack. I'll see you in my next video. Catch me on a road trip. Okay, bye.